Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Natural resonance, and we are looking at the efficiency of the auditory apparatus. So the first is the EAC. EAC, as we know, is the external auditory canal. So here it is about 3000 Hertz. Next we look at the tympanic membrane. So tympanic membrane will be about 800 to 1600 or 1600 Hertz. Then we look at the middle ear. So what about the middle ear? So the middle ear will be about 800. So middle ear will be about 800 Hertz. Then comes the ossicular chain. So what about the ossicular chain? So here the ossicular chain will be about 500. So ossicular chain is 500 to 2000. So 500 to 2000 Hertz. So EAC is around 3000. Next the tympanic membrane is around 800 to 1600. Then middle ear will be 800. Then ossicular chain will be 500 to 5000. So there is a big range, that is 500 to 2000. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.